stitches on top just like there, but the horizontal bar is the one that is leaning right here. Do you see that? Once you grab the first one it's easier to see. So let's just play and let me just show you where to go. So we're gonna go chain 2 and I want you to go to the first horizontal bar. If you need to pull it out like this just to see it, it's right here. It's the second one down. So there's the stitch. It's right here. And you're gonna half double crochet in the horizontal bar only. So just coming up from the bottom direction and pull through and then pull through all 3. Once you do the first one it becomes easier to see the rest. See there's the next one right here. Okay, see how it's going horizontal? So just look at the stitch work in order to see exactly where to go. So just wrap the hook and going into the next one and for a half double crochet. Now this is not a unique stitch in the sense that you can do anything you wanted with this particular stitch. It's a lot of fun and it's gonna create an effect on the other side of the project which you cannot see. Ta-da! There it is.